Hello, Champion George Dwight here from the George's Live Cooking Show. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a I'm talking about a phenomenal immune boosting tea made with ginger. Before we get started though, I want to thank those of you that are subscribed and are supporting our YouTube channel. And for those of you that have not yet, click the link below and subscribe, share. You're in for a treat, you're in for a ride. So here we go. First thing, we have some organic lemon juice. We have some apple cider vinegar. We have some amazing, delicious maple syrup. We have some slices of some ginger, fresh ginger. We also have just a little, maybe a quarter teaspoon of some of our organic dried habanero powder. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put we don't want nobody to get their mouth burned off, but we don't want the eyes to get blown up either. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the habanero powder, which is probably about about an eighth of a teaspoon. We're gonna go ahead and put the ginger in, the slices of ginger. We're gonna go ahead and put in the next I want to do is put it in the hot water. That's the next thing I want to do. Just put the hot water in and let that ginger kind of soak up. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, sooky now. Look at that. So you can just, you can go there, look at that. Look at the water just going. Yeah, dancing. See, that's dancing? And you can can you smell the pepper? I can smell the pepper. So, I can smell the pepper, which is awesome. So we're going to go ahead and put the lemon juice in, which is vitamin C and antioxidant, right? Mm-hmm. Bam, bam, bam. We're going to put in, and immune boosting. We're going to put in the apple cider vinegar, which is also an immune booster. And what else, Aaron?
Maple syrup.
No, the apple cider vinegar.
Immune boosters, antibiotic.
Antibiotic and
Probiotic.
Immune booster. The apple cider vinegar. Also, we're going to put in the we put in the maple syrup. That also is antioxidant, and also the habanero pepper is good for inflammation. Along with the ginger. The ginger is also good for the gut. It's also good for. Oh, that looks good. It smells good. It's also good for the what do we call it? The ginger is also good for inflammation as well. But this all overall is an immune boosting tea that's awesome and it's really simple to make. We literally made it within a couple of minutes. So guys, this is real simple. You let this soak a little bit. You let that tea soak, the hot water soak a little bit for that ginger. And now we're gonna go ahead and taste it. Oh my Lord. Let me tell you something. It's got the kick. First thing you taste the tang from the apple cider vinegar and the lemon juice. Then you get the pop from the habanero pepper. Then powder. Then you get the smack from the maple syrup, and then the deliciousness of the hot water. This tea right here, boy, let me tell you something. You're going to know something when you taste this tea, and it's delicious. Absolutely delicious. So guys, once again, make sure you subscribe to the link below. This is our ginger immune boosting tea with ginger, fresh ginger, some amazing some fresh ginger, also obviously hot water, so a little habanero pepper, also, man, that's awesome, apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, maple syrup. Man, this right here, I don't even know if I want to share this with my son. This is how good it is. This is good, y'all. So guys, once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. This tea right here is absolutely insane delicious. Absolutely insanely delicious. Remember that. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the link below. Make sure you share this video, like this video, let the world know about our amazing recipes, because we're changing lives one recipe at a time with these plant-based recipes. Guys, we love you guys. Until next time, I'm George Duhart from George's Live Cooking Show. God bless. Until tomorrow, fired up. You guys are awesome. God bless. Fired up.